Evening, my little munchkins. So our first class we did different techniques of sketching, where we did a lot of rough work. We did hatching, cross hatching and scrumble. I showed you the different techniques. The whole idea is to get a very good grip on pencil, because we're going to be doing some very interesting things in the future. So today, taking things forward, we are going to do stippling and smudging. So stippling is basically dots. Again, the whole idea is to go from light to dark, like I have shown. So you start with maybe 6 blocks or 4 blocks. 6 is a good thing. So you start with very light and then go darker and then darker and then darker, like this. And in the end, you have to kind of really hold your pencil well and make sure it's like really, really dark. Exactly the way I have done it here. Then we go to smudging. Smudging is a technique which is going to come to use in a lot of things, especially when it comes to shading, when it comes to portraits, landscapes, everything you need shading. So shading is very, very important. You need to again do this. So your first will be very light, and then you have to make it darker, and then you go darker. So I'm using a very normal HB pencil, and I've taken a rough paper and I'm doing this for you, so you know exactly how to do your smudging. Hold the pencil like this from the back so you have a good grip on it, and then make it darker. So you have to come closer to the pencil, like I had told you last time. Okay, it doesn't matter if you've left some gaps on the sides, you can always cover it up. And then you do really dark, so you hold the pencil like really close. So this is what it is. So now I have given you all different types of techniques, different techniques of sketching. We have hatching, we have cross hatching, we have stippling, we have scrumble, and we have smudge. So these are the things that you really need to practice. I'm very disappointed that you all have not sent me any of your work. Please understand, I understand this is not very interesting, but these are your basics. It's like when you learn music, you learn do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. If you do not do your basics, you will never go to the next level. I can sing a song for you, but my notes will not be correct. Similarly with painting, any art, any artist artwork, you have to have your basics right. You have to have your pencil, the use of pencil right. Otherwise, you will never ever be able to get into the next step. So this is all for today. I want to see some work tomorrow, day after, please. Our next class is going to be on Monday evening. Make sure you send me your sketches, even if it is rough, doesn't matter. Bye bye, see you all. Thank you.